We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.